Hello, everyone, and welcome to the course How to Be the Leader of Your Own Career and Create a Career That You Can Love Without Feeling Overwhelmed, Getting Burnt Out, or Taking a Pay Cut. If you're feeling stuck in your career, if you know that there's something more or something else you should be doing, if you know that there are some professional superpowers that you're not really using, that your job doesn't create the opportunity for you to use, if you know that you deserve more than you're currently earning, and overall, if you just want to be doing something else but aren't sure how, this course is for you. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach. I have a background in organizational and talent development, and I've been working with clients for the past decade, mainly senior leaders, C-suite executives, to help them curate a career that they can love. I've worked with individuals from big companies like Google, Amazon, DoorDash, Zumper, Blue Cross Blue Shield, as well as smaller startups, and these strategies work for everyone across the board. There are some soft skills in terms of mindset. We do some reflective activities. We do some future focused activities to identify your vision, really what you want to achieve for your career. We then go through how to stay energized throughout this process, and then go through some hard skills like your resume, your cover letter, negotiation, interviews, LinkedIn networking, etc. And then there's some bonus questions to help you along your career path and to achieve professional success. If you want more from your career, if you've ever asked yourself, why am I doing this when you wake up in the morning? If you feel like you're underutilized, and if you're overworked, just in general, you don't feel like you have control over work, this course is something that you need. We take a proactive approach in a society that tends to be reactive. I mean, even something as simple as applying to a job on a job board isn't choosing your career path. It's allowing the market to choose it for you. So if you're ready to identify what you truly are meant to do and to be the leader of your own career, then take this course, dive into this material, really do the work to create a career that you can love.